Here we go. Glamours, ladies of wrestling. Yes. Hey everyone, it is Frugalistablog here, and I am giving you a Halloween tutorial, transformation, whatever you want to call it. And I like to think of them as kind of transformations on a budget. I usually just kind of get my inspiration from what I already have. Also the kind of makeup I like doing. So if you don't watch the series Glow on Netflix, it is set in the 80s. I am focusing on the character Debbie because she's blonde and she's a mom, and I just like her. Betty Gilpin, that's the actress. She is so funny. I've never noticed her in other things, and then now I've noticed her in everything. So the hair, the makeup, it is 80s. Now, when they're not in the ring and it's just like regular day, it's 80s, but it's like toned down. And then in the ring, when they're being wrestlers, it is spandex and latex and sequins and so much shininess, and yeah, and lots of big hair and the makeup. So this is what we're getting today. It's almost like Dynasty on crack. I'm gonna start with priming my skin with this Revolution Pro Goddess Primer. I just thought that would be fun and give me a glow for glow. The fun thing about 80s makeup is it's blended, you know, you definitely want to blend, but my gosh, you kind of, more is more. I mean, blush was intense, cheekbones were intense, eyeshadow went up to your eyebrows, so this is gonna be fun. So this Goddess Primer is very nice. I compared it to the Charlotte Tilbury one. I like it. I like the Charlotte Tilbury one. This one, it's almost like it glows, but it's not as glowy as the Charlotte Tilbury, but it does even out the complexion. Whoa. Also, this combination of products with the Maybelline and Champ Massé is kind of good too. Whoa, too much, Rebecca. Whatever. So there's 3 seasons of Glow. It's just such a great, like, it's got a great friendship. I mean, it's, you know, it's kind of one of those friendships that's flawed, and you're sort of rooting, you're just always rooting for them. There we go. That's Debbie. I really need a leotard. What do you say? I'm sort of laughing at myself because I picked out Coastal Scents, which are very affordable, and I picked out Natasha Denona, which is not very affordable. But the Natasha Denona has some amazing kind of 80s vibes to it. Look at the purples, and I can't not use this. This was from a lucky bag from Beautylish 2 years ago. It's a crime not to use it. I need to use it. Also, I feel like when I did my makeup in the 80s, I always started with a very frosty base layer. My transition shade was just frost. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in Golden Beige. Go in with, I'm gonna go in with this smoky gray shade. This is from the Jungle Roar Coastal Scents palette. Coastal Scents they're so great. This is definitely gonna look blue on me. I can just tell. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. And I will be cleaning up later. Okay, I have to go in with Electric Violet. I have to. Here I come. Here I come, Natasha Denona. It's electric. Do, 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 do. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go in the Coastal Scents, the darker gray. And I'm going like this. I'm kind of making an arrow. Do you see that? It's like I just made the corner really. Lady Gaga does this for her shows, so this isn't that, you know, crazy. Okay. Now to get it even. So I'm gonna do a little bit of blending. Where is she? Okay. A little blending. This color right here. That is Petroleum Blue. And setting spray. This is Essence. Also, you can use the Mayron Transformer, or what's it called? Honestly, NYX, I mean, there are so many, Makeup Revolution, there are so many Vivid palettes out there. Do not be discouraged because I'm using Natasha Denona. When I was going through my collections, I was just like, you know what? I have a lot of like those autumn, everything's, you know, burnt orange and plums, and I didn't want that. I wanted vivid plums and purples, and I just happen to have this in my collection. So BH Cosmetics is another good one. That's nice. I want that. I like this. Esquito Gel Liner. This is a must. So I'm focusing the black in the corner. Normally I do like white or something, but not this time. Yeah. No. Because I'm gonna really get in my eyebrows, I'm gonna use a powder. I'm gonna use this Fairy Lights. I'm gonna use one of these taupes with a angle brush. Kind of makes me look a little angry, but that's okay. I'm a wrestler. I'm supposed to be angry. Think Joan Collins. Anyone born after 1990? Google. The Google. We are gonna do some concealing. I got a Joa concealer. This is the Wand Me Up. It's actually very creamy. You know, it's like lots of pigment, very creamy. It's CVS. I'm going to use the Danessa Myricks Evolution powder. Let's get in the cheekbones. And I think this Wet n Wild contour thing is perfect for that. And I'm going to use a fan brush. Give myself some good 80s cheekbones. Scott Barnes says, don't contort your face when you're doing contour. Keep it the way so you know what you're looking at. You know, because if you go like that, then your skin has moved from the location you want to contour from. So much fun, you guys. Oh gosh. I recommend all makeup junkies to do this. Or, you know, not just junkies, but like lovers. Makeup lover. And guess what? I'm not blending that. It's perfect. And this is perfect too. This JCat Beauty Blushamello Just Blushin' is the perfect shade. Figuring out if I want a stipple brush or my fingers. Stipple brush. And also I'm putting blush here. No, that's not too much actually. I know, right? I am going to do highlight right now, and I'm using Physicians Formula, the Pearl, the powder palette, Mineral Glow, because it just seems to have such a lovely opalescent kind of, maybe even a little glitter. God, I love this. You guys, I love this so much. How can you not be glowing for glow? I will curl my hair off camera, but then I will come back to give you guys some tease and spray action because I know you want to see some of that. And lips are going to be this Coastal Scents in 04. It's like fuchsia. I have it way too high. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, God. This also looks really good for Barbie, right? Black Radiance lip glosses in my Walgreens, and then I'm just like, yes! It just has such a 80s, actually it just kind of, yeah. All right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do some hair and lashes and come back to you. I have taken a small 1-inch curling iron 1-inch barrel, and I've done my whole head, and I also have hairspray, but that's not all the hairspray. My neighbor's leaf blowing, my apologies. So I'm gonna kind of comb it out and back comb it. I wish, oh, it's kind of hard to see. Hang on. I don't have bangs, and definitely 80s girls had bangs. I always find a hair that I haven't quite curled. Doesn't that just bug you? Okay, so what I want to do is I want to take the top and I'm gonna tease it as if I do have bangs. So I'm just back combing. What are you doing now? I think he's weed whacking. Good Lord. Unbelievable. And take the heaviest duty hairspray you can get. Honestly, this is from TJ Maxx. It's Redken Triple Take, and it's pretty, it's extreme hold. It was $3.99. It smells like the 80s. Like, I think I had rave hairspray in the 80s, and that's what it smelled like. Oh. The funny thing about teasing is it's kind of crazy. I mean, it's going to look crazy even at the end, but you kind of want it more crazy as you're doing it. And then it tones down. Alrighty, I'm gonna spray, spray, spray. Yeah, and then I'm gonna be right back wearing my spandex. I mean, I had to throw these in, you guys. I had to. This is from Emma's dance recital when she was 3. These are just some, this is a swimsuit. Lots of body shimmer, a swimsuit, a tank top. I need a leotard, you guys. And then these were from another costume. I mean, there's just so much you can do. There's really no jewelry because wrestlers don't wear jewelry. I'm pretty sure. I'm exhausted, you guys. This took forever. It's gonna take forever to... I mean, I could do without the headband, but I needed more accessories, so. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope this was fun. And, you know, please, if you can, support my other Halloween looks this year. I'll go ahead and link them either in the end screen or below, and I just have so much fun playing, and I really appreciate if you watch this and share it, and thanks. And please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I promise I don't wear this much makeup normally, although I'm getting kind of used to it. Yes. Okay. Well, guys, it's been real. It's rad. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.